When it comes to your vehicle, you deserve the best care and maintenance. That's why CCV BMS is the unrivaled choice for bodyline maintenance products, offering exceptional benefits to our valued customers. Say goodbye to unsightly stone chips and welcome a flawless appearance with our meticulous repairs. Our skilled technicians expertly restore your vehicle, making scratches a thing of the past. Dents from shopping trolleys or car doors will no longer be a worry. Our dedicated team seamlessly repair them, leaving your vehicle flawless. We prioritize your safety by offering reliable repairs for windscreen chips and cracks, ensuring optimal visibility and peace of mind. Removing tar from your vehicle becomes effortless when entrusted to our capable hands. Unpleasant odors will be eliminated, leaving your vehicle smelling fresh and inviting. Revive your old headlights and witness their original brilliance, presenting a rejuvenated and polished look. Maintaining a healthy air conditioning system is vital for your well-being. Our specialized treatment eliminates harmful bacteria and fungi every 6 months, providing you with clean and fresh air to breathe. To exceed your expectations, we go the extra mile by treating the interior of your vehicle. This includes a complimentary wash, vacuum and tire polish, a comprehensive experience that leaves no detail untouched. We understand the value of convenience, so we bring our top-notch service directly to you, wherever you may be. Experience the expertise of CCV BMS as we address all your cosmetic concerns, keeping your vehicle in showroom condition. At CCV, your satisfaction and benefit are our unwavering commitment. Experience the CCV difference today and discover why it's simply about you.